Your Samsung Galaxy Watch just got a major upgrade. The April 2025 update is here, and it's making your smartwatch better than ever. Stick with GadInsider to find out what's new. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Samsung's rolling out a huge April 2025 update for Galaxy Watches from the Watch 7 to the Watch 4. It's packed with security and stability boosts. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive in. Samsung's April 2025 update is hitting models like the Galaxy Watch 7, Watch Ultra, Watch 6, 5, and even the Watch 4. First spotted in South Korea, it's now global with hefty 400 to 900 MB files. What's inside? The March 2025 security patch, fixing 58 vulnerabilities, plus stability tweaks for smoother performance. No flashy new features, but your watch is now safer and more reliable. The update started with newer models and is now reaching older ones like the Watch 5 and 4. Why care about this update? Security is a big deal. Those 58 fixes protect your data from hackers. Plus, stability improvements mean fewer glitches when tracking your runs or checking notifications. For older watches like the Galaxy Watch 4, it's awesome to see Samsung keeping them fresh years later. Samsung's quarterly updates keep it ahead of the pack, even outpacing some Wear OS brands like TicWatch. If you've got a Galaxy Watch, this is a must install. Ready to update? Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and hit Download and Install. It's that easy. If you don't see it yet, just keep checking. Samsung's rolling it out worldwide. Pro tip, charge your watch first. Those 900 MB files for Watch 7 and Ultra are chunky. And that's the buzz on the Galaxy Watch update, GadInsider fam. Got a Galaxy Watch? Tell us how the update's working for you in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep up with the latest tech drops.